How to log in ChatGPT in mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can log into ChatGPT on your mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you would like to log into your ChatGPT on mobile, all you have to do is simply download the ChatGPT application from your Play Store or your App Store, official one by OpenAI. Once you've done that, you can open up the ChatGPT application here. Now, there are many ways to log in. You can choose to continue with Google, Apple, or your email ID if you're logged in with any of those and if you signed up with those. Or you can tap the login option and you can choose to simply enter your details manually, such as entering your email addresses and so on, and also entering your password. Now in my case, my account is synced with Google account, so I will just select continue with Google, and then I'll just go ahead and then select my particular Google account here. And once I've done that, I'll be able to log into ChatGPT. That's all it takes to log into ChatGPT on mobile. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.